delighted to have been asked to market 1 Holborn Terrace. It's along Tavistock Road, easy access to the town, couple of minutes walk, and also to the local supermarkets, school, doctors. Everything is very close to hand, so ideal for somebody who wants the town life. But when you have a look at the video and the pictures, you will see it's got the most astounding views from the front aspect right over to Dartmoor and all the countryside beyond. You can see the floodlights in the winter time from the rugby club. So you know, it's a nice central spot, but also got these beautiful countryside views as well. You can view those windows through the replaced UPVC sash windows. In most of the windows are replaced with that, and they look really good. And we have also got a nice fitted kitchen and 3 bedrooms upstairs. The living room has a little wood burning stove in it, so there's a bit of character there as well. You have got parking for 2 cars as well, which is unusual for town properties. It's got a nice enclosed back garden that's got a few mature trees in it. There's also a lovely decked area that you could sit on and really enjoy the property and the location. So watch the video, come inside, have a look at the outside, and then book to come and view as soon as you can. Thank you. Come inside and take a look.